Well, what's good, everybody? Hope y'all all out there staying safe and all that good stuff. Yeah. I'm getting right into this one because I've been wetting these for a while and I finally broke down and got them. Sure, you already know what they are from the title of the video. That's right. Oop, I cut the box a little bit. Oh well. Bam! Yeezy 700. I got these off of Flight Club. Thank you, Flight Club. Woo! So, son. A little Flight Club official tag. Those are sick. Now I gotta smell them. New shoes. So they got the tags and everything on them. Boom. Yeah. I just had to hurry up, open those for y'all real quick. What do y'all think about the Yeezys? I know I'm a little behind and all that good stuff, but I had to get a pair because I want to. Y'all leave me a comment down below if y'all like Yeezys and what's y'all's favorite Yeezy and all that good stuff. And don't forget to press like and subscribe. Thank you. Deuces.